The Whitestone dome glass for the Galaxy S8 Plus. The good, the bad, and the ugly.
Welcome to Cuba, Mama's Play.
The good. It is a perfect fit, and not sure if you can see that in the camera, but you almost wouldn't notice it being on except for the notch, and it clears the case really well. The bad. Its oleophobic finish is not as perfect as the Samsung's original screen, which is to be expected. And the ugly, at 60 bucks, you'd expect it to be perfect. But it's still overall a great product, and it's still pretty smooth. So I would definitely recommend it. Now for the installation. I did link this in the description below if you'd like to check it out at Amazon. And in the US, I believe it is cheaper than $60. It's $60 in Canada. As you can see, it comes with everything you could possibly need, including the Loca glue and an alignment kit. It also comes with this UV light that cures the Loca glue. It looks like it was built specifically for this kit, and it works great. It has a timer. When you push the button, it goes on for I think 30 seconds to a minute. You want to start by cleaning off the glass. Clean all the fingerprints off, any residue. You want to make it perfectly clean. It's best to do it near a light that you can look at it with really closely. Once you wipe it with the wet wipe, wipe it dry with the dry wipes that they provide. And once you did that, use those stickers to get the last pieces of dust off the glass. This will ensure a perfect finish. No dust in between the glass and your phone, no air bubbles, nothing. Then you put the top part of this alignment tool on. Make sure that tab is in place. You put the bridge on, put the Loca glue on, twist the top of the tube, and that releases the glue onto your screen. Make sure it's level. I put the glue pieces on my phone to see if they rolled in any direction. And once that's all out, take the bridge off and remove the peel off the glass screen protector and place it with the notch at the top into this jig. Make sure it's at the bottom, and when you're satisfied, tip the jig by pushing at the bottom, and once the Loca glue hits your glass, you pull the tab out. I didn't pull it out all the way at first, and I did speed up the video by 20 times. It took quite a while for the glue to reach all of the edges. And then you simply cure it with this light. I did it in 3 sections, and I did it one time while the phone was still in this setup, in this alignment tool, and then I took the phone out and I did it again with the phone out of this tool. I did wipe the edges with an alcohol wipe. I would not recommend trying to use your fingernails to scratch off the residue. I did that, and in one of the corners it peeled the glue away from under the glass, so it looks like there's an air bubble in one of the corners, and that was my own fault. So just wipe it off with the alcohol wipe as best you can, and then dry it with the dry wipe. Once that's done, you don't have to use the UV light again. The instructions only say to do it once, but I just wanted to make sure that it was nice and cured, so I did it twice. And again, I sped up the video and I cut out a lot of the parts. And I was done. And again, I'm very satisfied with the product. Please hit the thumbs up if this was helpful, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.